With so many gadgets popping up every day, there's bound to be some that you haven't seen yet, right? That is our goal with this video, where we cover some cool gadgets you haven't seen before. Links with the prices are in the description. Let's go. Number 1. DaptKey. This is the highly customizable multifunctional keyboard designed to revolutionize your computer experience. It is equipped with 20 programmable keys and 5 programmable knobs. It offers you the ultimate convenience of managing your computer operations with ease. Customize each key and knob to perform specific functions, shortcuts, or macro commands based on your personal needs, significantly improving efficiency and productivity. Switch between multiple layers of macro commands according to your settings to meet the requirements of various software applications. Whether you're a professional gamer or simply someone looking to optimize their computer experience, this key has you covered. Get your hands on this game-changing device and unlock your full potential today. Number 2. G-Knob. This is a smart knob controller with a round screen which makes adjustment of lights. Air conditioners, curtains, and intelligent scenes are easier and more intuitive. It comes with a luminosity sensor. It can sense the light brightness of the living environment in real time. When the light is insufficient, it automatically opens the curtain and adjusts the light brightness to protect your eyes. When the light is sufficient, it automatically reduces the brightness of the lights to save energy. Controlling the lights with G-Knob is simple. Just twist the knob and watch as the brightness and color adjust with you. Changing the screen accurately shows the light adjustment parameters, making it easy to customize your lighting exactly how you like. Number 3. Tabletop Fire Pit. This is a tabletop fire pit designed to enhance your meal experience or just hanging out in your backyard. It comes in a compact design perfect for terraces, balconies, and small gardens. The fire pit includes a stand for safe burning and a nylon carry bag for easy storage and portability. It has dual fuel capabilities, allowing you to burn pellets or any fuel of your choice. It is easy to light and sustain, providing a cozy and smokeless flame, elevating your dining ambience. It creates warmth and a stylish centerpiece for your outdoor space. Number 4. Dynamic Scene Lamp. Upgrade your lighting with a stylish 2-in-1 desk lamp made of eco-friendly materials. It offers 4 RGB dynamic scene modes, 6 monochrome lights, and 3 rhythm modes for customization control. The lamp has 3 color temperatures, 3 brightness levels, and adjustable positioning. It syncs with music rhythms. The lighting experience is suitable for day and night use, with a 2-hour timer function, perfect for office desks, bedside reading, and entertainment. Energy efficient and versatile. It combines functionality and style. Number 5. Swivel Laptop Stand. Experience the ultimate stability with the locked swivel laptop stand for your desk, made with military-grade aluminum alloy and multi-layer reinforcement. This stand provides a larger base stability and features an anti-loosening structure with CNC engraving technology. Not only is it stable, but it's also fashionable to enjoy smoother rotation and easier screen sharing with the rotating stand, as it is equipped with aluminum alloy ball bearings. It offers 6 times the rotating light, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Its secure, stable design allows for long-term use without any wobbling or instability. Number 6. Dragon Lighter. Introducing the powerful windproof plasma arc lighter, perfect for outdoor events, barbecues, fireworks, and so much more. It quickly ignites even in adverse conditions like strong winds or heavy rain, ensuring a reliable flame. The exquisite design features engraved relief, a dazzling clocked LED lighting, and a blue cat's eye stone, creating a noble and luxurious appearance. With safe, intelligent power control and USB charging, the lighter is protected from overcharging and over-discharging. The indicator light helps monitor the battery status for timely charging, and it is such a convenience to carry a rechargeable lighter. With its long-lasting plasma technology and high-quality lithium-ion battery, say goodbye to gas and fuel and embrace the ease of USB charging. Number 7. Morph Foam Roller. Experience the convenience and benefits of foam rolling with the Morph. This can be one of the world's greatest portable rollers. It fits in your everyday bag, allowing you to roll more often and manage pain and recovery. Wherever you are, the Morph is not your typical roller. It expands into a full-size roller and collapses back down for easy storage despite its portable size. It is sturdy and can support up to 350 pounds, made with bamboo and recyclable aluminum. It is also environmentally friendly. Number 8. Smart Deadbolt. Home security is a top priority, and this smart lock offers a 4-in-1 smart entry solution with fingerprint access. It allows for remote control and management via the secure map, enabling you to lock or unlock your front door from anywhere and receive real-time notifications. The auto lock feature ensures peace of mind by automatically locking the door behind you. The lock also features spy-proof code entry, a solid and durable construction with anti-drill aluminum housing and stainless steel deadbolt. It can be easily controlled and monitored through the secure map. Upgrade your home security with a touch for convenience, remote access, and enhanced protection. Number 9. Dual Laser Distance Meter. This is the world's most advanced dual laser measure with auto-calibration technology. Say goodbye to clunky, slow, and inaccurate tools on the job. Having a personal assistant in your pocket to provide you the power and accuracy of a professional. You can take on any project with confidence and precision to become a true expert. The dual laser technology enables more than 9 times faster work efficiency than conventional measuring tools, with the ability to measure at any point on a line with just one click. It ensures quick and accurate results every time with the advanced auto-calibration function. It will deliver accurate measurement values, taking your measuring operations to a new level of comfort, efficiency, and professionalism. Number 10. Rechargeable Fridge Deodorizer. This is a versatile and efficient solution for eliminating unpleasant odors in various closed environments. It is perfect for fridges, freezers, shoe cabinets, closets, wardrobes, cars, and pet rooms. Unlike traditional methods like baking soda and charcoal bags, this deodorizer actively circulates active oxygen to effectively eliminate odors, ensuring a clean and fresh-smelling environment. It is an economical choice as it is reusable with no consumables or filters to replace. Number 11. Side Note. This Side Note is an ultra-portable pocket notebook and pen that has been perfected with MagSafe technology. It features a luxurious leather exterior and an anodized aluminum body for both style and durability. This notebook is replaceable, allowing for easy swapping of filled pages, and it also includes an integrated pen holder for convenience with MagSafe compatibility. It offers a seamless blend of style, portability, and innovation, enhancing your note-taking experience wherever you go. Number 12. Kublet. This is the ultimate data tracker designed to simplify your life with Kublet. You can easily monitor various aspects such as weather stocks, wallet balance, blood sugar levels, network statistics, calendar events, and much more. This compact device packs a powerful punch, providing you with real-time information and insights at your fingertips. Whether you want to stay informed about the latest weather conditions, keep an eye on your financial investments, track your health metrics, or stay organized with your daily schedule, its user-friendly interface and intuitive design make it effortless to navigate and access the data you need with ease. You can stay on top of important information without the need for multiple apps or devices. It's the all-in-one solution for efficient data tracking. Number 13. String Shooters. Unleash your inner superhero with this web launcher. This allows children to become superheroes and perform iconic movements unlike fragile 3D printed products. These web launchers are structurally optimized, durable, and lots of fun. The launcher is easy with a built-in rechargeable battery and motor. Simply press the reel and switch for 4 seconds and launch with an effective distance of 8 feet. The launcher offers various play options, including shooting with a magnet or a suction cup. Let your imagination soar and experience the thrill of being a superhero with a web launcher. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.